face of Inter Miami and a lifetime Adidas athlete, is launching a striking pink edition of the Adidas Predator Elite FDFG on August 18 via adidas.com, priced at approximately $280. A pioneer of the Predator line since 1997, Beckham famously used the boot's STRIKESKIN technology for precision free kicks, often adding personal touches like national flags or his children's names. This new release draws inspiration from his 2012 pink Predator LZ, a bold design that helped establish pink in the Predator palette. This 2025 model features standout tech like HYBRIDTOUCH, CONTROLFRAME 2.0, and the iconic fold-over tongue. Silver and black elements break up the vivid pink upper, while nods to Beckham appear on the tongue and footbed. More than just performance, this release reflects Beckham's lasting style legacy, merging football heritage with a fashion-forward Inter Miami influence.